Aquila the Eagle. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Plow Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We're here to help you find your way around the sky tonight. The Summer Triangle is riding high in the sky this week, and if you've watched our show over the years, you'll know that we often talk about two of its constellations, Cygnus the Swan and Lyra the Harp.
But there's a third constellation that we haven't really discussed in detail, and that's Aquila the Eagle.
That's right, Dean. So, this week, we've decided to show Aquila some love and introduce you to the constellation that represents Zeus's pet eagle. Let's show you. Okay, we have our skies set up for an hour after sunset facing southeast. Looking high in the sky, we see the Summer Triangle. The three brightest stars are Vega, Altair, and Deneb. We're going to focus on Altair because that is the brightest star in the constellation Aquila the Eagle.
Aquila is best known as the pet eagle belonging to Zeus, the king of the Greek gods. Aquila had the job of holding Zeus's lightning bolts, but he was also known for kidnapping Ganymede and bringing him to Mount Olympus to be Zeus's divine drink server.
The brightest star in Aquila is Altair. Altair is 17 light years away from Earth and is one of the closest stars visible to the naked eye.
Altair has the rare distinction of being the fastest rotating star in our neighborhood. Our sun, for example, takes 25 days to spin once, but Altair spins once in only 9 hours. This has resulted in Altair being so distorted that it resembles an M&M. The semi-bright star above Altair is Terra Z. It's an orange giant star 460 light years from us and over 2,500 times as bright as our sun.
The semi-bright star below Altair is Alshane. It's a binary star system 45 light years from Earth. The primary star is a yellow subgiant only 30% more massive than our sun and 3 times the radius.
The smaller companion star is a red dwarf, only 1/3 the mass of our sun, with only 2% of our sun's luminosity. Talk about a tiny star.
You might be surprised to know that Aquila the Eagle has 143 stars that astronomers consider noteworthy. However, only a handful of them you can see from a light-polluted city.
Aquila is also one of those constellations where the Bayer designation gets a little weird. Developed by astronomer Johann Bayer, the Greek letter designation for stars most of the time was based on the star's brightness, alpha being the brightest, beta being the second brightest, and so on. Well, in Aquila, that's not the case.
The 7 brightest stars in order of brightness are Altair, which is alpha, Terra Z, which is gamma, Ocab is zeta, Almazan 3 is theta, Almazan 1 is delta, Althalamane Prior is lambda, and lastly, Alshane is beta.
Weird.
Did you know that Aquila the Eagle that we recognize today is actually a combination of the original Aquila and a now obsolete constellation that was nearby?
That's right, James. Like Boötes the herdsman that now includes the defunct constellation Quadrans Muralis, Aquila acquired the stars of the equally defunct constellation Antinous.
Antinous was created by the Roman Emperor Hadrian in 132 AD in honor of his youthful companion of the same name. As the centuries passed, Antinous was later demoted to an asterism within Aquila and eventually discarded when the International Astronomical Union formalized the constellations in 1930.
The stars Almazan 3, Almazan 2, and Alshane are where Antinous used to be. You can find them in the eastern portion of Aquila. So check out Aquila the Eagle and its many interesting stars tonight.
Wow, so many neat things to see when you remember to keep looking up.